Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to join your Minecraft realm and receive a blank error 429 message, your game launcher has sent too many requests to the server, triggering a temporary rate limit block. I will show you exactly how to bypass this limit and fix your realm connection right now. Let's get started. First, because error 429 literally means too many requests, the Minecraft authentication servers have temporarily blocked your connection to prevent server overload. The most reliable fix is to completely close out of your game and simply wait 20 to 30 minutes before trying again. While you wait, you can unplug your internet router for a few minutes and plug it back in to acquire a fresh IP address, which frequently bypasses the server cooldown entirely. Next, if you keep getting the error immediately after logging in, your background Java updater may be spamming the Mojang servers with hidden version checks. Open your Windows Start menu, type Control Panel, and change the View option in the top right corner to Large Icons. Click on the Java icon, navigate to the Update tab at the top, and completely uncheck the box labeled Check for Updates Automatically. Then click Apply. Finally, the internal Minecraft launcher might be stuck in a permission loop, continuously failing and retrying to connect to your realm. Right-click on your Minecraft launcher desktop shortcut and explicitly select Run as Administrator to clear any network restrictions. If that fails, open the launcher, go to the Installations tab, click the three dots next to your latest release profile, select Duplicate, and use that fresh copy to launch the game. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.